Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free impressions or low-cost impressions, low CPMs using LinkedIn text ads. So let's take a look. So as an example here, you can see some text ads that were showing when I was reviewing my LinkedIn profile. You can see it says promoted, and then there's 3 different companies advertising. And the text ads consist of an image, a square image, a headline that's up to 25 characters long, and a description that's up to 75 characters long. And then you can also add it a URL. So if you click it, the user will be directed to a page that you specify. And I typically use these in the retargeting layer for my clients. So after someone's members already engaged with a client's website or any of the other ad content, we'll promote LinkedIn text ads in front of them along with other ad formats. But it's a great additional touch point and a great way to continue to nurture and stay in front of prospects that have already engaged with your content in some capacity. So next I'm going to show you a couple of client accounts and what it looks like in there. So in this client's account, they have a pretty small retargeting audience size, but we are promoting it to that retargeting audience. So we've received close to 10,000 impressions. These have been running over a little over a few weeks, and there haven't been any clicks. Text ads tend to have a low click-through rate. So if you set up the right objective, you won't spend on them, but they will continue to get impressions. So you can see there's 0 spend here, close to 10,000 impressions. And you can see in this account, we've had 0 spend and close to 9,000 impressions. And for context, we have a frequency of around 13. So members are seeing an ad around 13 times. And we do have multiple variations of the text ads. So we have more than 13. So at least right now, they're not seeing the same text ad each time. They can be, we have different text ads rotating evenly. So they can be seeing different messaging, different value props. So that's important. They tend to get high frequency, especially if you have a lower audience size, a small retargeting audience size. So I do recommend having multiple variations of text ads there. But again, just wanted to show you that we're seeing, impressions are continuing to build over time, and we've had 0 spend there. In order to set them up where you can have low spend, you're going to set the objective to in the consideration phase on website visits, and then you're going to set the bidding. At the bidding section, budget and schedule, we have it set on landing page clicks. So if you have it set on landing page clicks, you'll only be charged when someone clicks the text ad. And since they have low click-through rates, they tend not to get clicked. So they're going to continue to get impressions and show in front of your audience, but they're not going to get clicked as much, and you'll only be charged when they do get clicked. So a lot of times we see, not too much spend, and we see a lot of impressions on the text ads. I do have a video going over how to create text ads, so I'll put that in a link above. But other than that, I just wanted to go through and show you some real life examples of seeing some impressions with no spend in the accounts. Again, we're using this retargeting to audience members that already engaged. And I think it's a great ad format that you should implement in your LinkedIn ad strategy. So if you're not, you should take a look at that. And if you have any questions on that, please put them in the comment section. I'd be happy to help out. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.